Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you how easy it is to make these delicious funnel cakes. So let's get started. First, we're going to add all of our dry ingredients to a bowl and whisk to combine. And so now in a separate bowl, we're going to add all of our wet ingredients together and mix it up really well. And so here's the consistency that you want to look for. You don't want your batter to be too thick and you don't want it to be too thin, and definitely do not worry about over mixing. You want your batter to be very smooth. All right, so since I do not have a funnel, I'm going to use this plastic squeeze bottle here. So I'm going to transfer my batter into the measuring cup so that I can transfer it into the squeeze bottle without wasting everything all over the counter. Take a look at the size of the top. I cut like a pretty big size hole there. So this is the size of the pot that I'm using. You want to deep fry your funnel cake, so make sure that your pot or your skillet is large enough to hold a large amount of oil. Right now my heat setting was on high. Dip the wooden spoon into the oil, and once it begins to sizzle, that is a good indicator that your oil is ready for frying. So now I'm going to drop in my batter. Now, this is very important. Do not do circular motions. You want to pour this in like a zigzag, swirly type fashion. And let it cook until it is golden brown. And then once that's done, go ahead and remove it from the oil, drain it on a paper towel or a cooling rack. Now I'm going to demonstrate this one more time. So now you want to top this off with some powdered sugar. And if you want to spruce it up a little bit, go ahead and top it off with some whipped cream, some strawberries. You can also do like bananas. You could do chocolate. You could do caramel. So much you can do. Okay, so I hope that you guys will give this recipe a try. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think, and I will catch you guys in my next video.